I'm gonna go back to starting position, shift back to my right leg, do similar movement, but this time I'm gonna let my knee go up a little bit higher, then step out. So I'm gonna come back in and step out. Come back in and step out. Same thing if you had a chair there, you could hold the chair to steady yourself as you're doing this. You could raise your leg up higher if you wanted to, but be gentle. Be gentle. We're not doing martial arts here. We're just kind of warming up our legs. Okay. Shift to my left leg. Do the same thing. Lift it up a little bit higher. Okay. I just felt my hip pop there in a good way. It kind of like that. So, okay, so I'll come back into starting position here. Okay. So now I'm gonna shift my weight to the right, and I'm just gonna step back a little bit, and I'm gonna step back forward. Step back a little bit, step back forward. If you need the chair for your balance, you can, or if you need to move your arms for balance, you can do something like this as well to keep your balance. You don't have to use your arms too much, but just for a balance check, okay? If you have your balance, you're fine. You can, just move without your arms. Okay. I'm shifting my weight to my right, stepping back with my left, and coming back. Okay, now I'm going to do the opposite. So shift to my left, step back with my right. Shift to my left, step back with my right. That's nice. Okay. So I'm shifting, stepping back. Remember to breathe. Don't hold your breath. And again, if you need it for your balance, you can let your arms go a little forward if you need to. Or you can grip and hold a chair. You can go as slow as you need to keep your balance. That's okay. Okay. All right. Coming back to starting position. Okay. So now I'm going to go with my right leg again, but I'm going to let my leg kind of do like more of a circular motion like this. So it's going to come in, it's going to circle in, then come back. Shift to my right, circle the left leg, and come back. My right, circle the left leg, come back. Okay. I'm in the grass here, so if you're on a flat surface here, you can just stay really close to the ground if you like, kind of trace it with your toe. You can also bring your leg up higher like we were doing in the other exercises. Shift my weight to my left leg here, do the other side, this. Drawing a circle. If you bring your leg up higher, I'll show you that in a minute, it's kind of like a half moon kick, Shift to my left, slow it down, keep my balance, keep your balance. Again, if you need a chair, use a chair. I used to teach a class where I would show these exercises, and we would often have a chair in case anyone needed it, or if they needed to take a break from all the standing. Okay, go back to my left, and now I'm going to show it. So back, shifting my weight to my right. Again, moving that leg in, but I'm just going a little bit higher. So it's a little higher this time. Shift to the weight, a little bit higher. If you need your arm to steady yourself, by all means do that. And I'm just showing you the option if you want to move it higher. I'm not moving that much high, too high really. I'm not really not. Just a little bit. If you feel like you need a little bit more, you can do that. I'll show you the other side, a little bit more. Okay, so if I had a chair here, I could grab that to steady myself. If you're doing like some type of martial arts, sometimes they would get their hands involved and they would move their hand with it. That's an option there. That might be a little confusing. You don't have to do that, but you could if you come from a martial arts background and you want to do something like that, you could. Okay. All right, so back to starting position here. Okay.